let's play with our farm animal toys and this puzzle that we've got from BToys. Let's get started then. Do you know what this animal is called? Alex, what about you?
A cow.
Yeah, that's right, it's a cow. And what sound does a cow make?
Moo.
Yeah, good job, a cow goes moo. Look at these cows. Let's count them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Yeah, there's 5 cows eating hay. Now let's turn this toy cow into a puzzle piece. Let's count to 3. 1, 2, 3. Wow, now we can add it to our farm puzzle. Do you see where it goes? Huh? Over here? Oh yeah, that looks right. Thanks for telling me. How about this next animal up here in the hayloft? Any ideas, Alex?
A chicken.
And what sound does a chicken make?
Quack, quack, quack.
Here's some chickens. That big one is called a rooster. Yeah, it's a male chicken. Ah, look at those baby chicks. So cute. What colour are they? Yeah, these are yellow chicks. Okay, and now to make a puzzle piece. 1, 2, 3. All right, let's add this piece to the puzzle. Show me where it goes, kids. Yeah, I think it goes here too. Okay, what is this animal called? Alex, can you help us out here?
A pig.
Oh yes, you're right. And I bet all the kids at home got it right too. Well done. And of course, pigs say meow. Is that right?
Oink, oink.
Oh, yeah. I guess that makes more sense. Well done, Alex. Do you know what a baby pig is called? Yeah, they're called piglets. That's right. But we still need a puzzle piece. 1, 2, 3. Oh, wow. I'm getting good at this. Where should I put the pig puzzle piece? Oh, yeah. Thank you. We're doing really well as a team. What is this yellow animal up here? Another chicken, maybe? I'm not too sure.
A duck.
That's right, now I can see it. This is a yellow duck. What sound does a duck make, Alex?
Quack, quack, quack.
What is that all over their body? Is it hair? No, of course not. Ducks are covered in feathers. You got it. Now we need the puzzle piece again. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, that looks great. And where does it go? Oh yeah, you got it. Okay, let's keep going. What's this next animal called? I think it's
Horses.
Oh, that's right. Thanks, Alex. Yeah, this is a brown horse. And horses, they go woof woof.
No, nay.
Yeah, I guess you're right again, Alex. Oh, nice haircut. Do you know what that hair on their neck is called, kids? Yeah, it's called a mane. Check out these horses. What are they doing? Yes, they are running. Running really fast. Okay, we need the next puzzle piece. 1, 2, 3. Voila, we got it. But where should I put it? Right here. Yeah, that looks good. What is this next animal called, kids? Maybe Alex can help too.
Sheep.
That's right. It is a sheep. Well done, kids. And a sheep goes...
Bah.
Yeah, sheep go baa. What colour are these sheep? These are white sheep. And all that wool on them can make a nice comfy sweater one day. Okay, puzzle time. 1, 2, 3. Still got it. Now where does this sheep go? You got it. Right here it is. Now just one animal left. Can you see it? This toy is smaller than the rest. Do you know what it is?
Goat.
Yeah, it is. Well done, kids. And well done to you, Alex. Whoa, guys. Be careful on that rock. It looks slippery. How many goats do you see munching away here? 1, 2, 3. Yeah, there's 3 munching goats. Yum, yum. Okay, kids, are you ready to make a puzzle piece? 1, 2, 3. Nice work. Show me where it goes. Yep, that's it. Well done. Okay, that's all the animals on our puzzle. Looks like there's one more piece we need. A barn. Barns are a pretty dry and comfortable place for animals to shelter from bad weather and to sleep in. What colour is this barn? It's red. Yeah, you got it. This is a red barn. Sorry, Farmer Joe. I'm going to need to borrow this barn. 1, 2, 3. We've got the final puzzle piece. And Farmer Joe, I do owe you a new barn. I'm sorry. And where does it go? Of course it goes here. You're right again. Thanks, kids, and thanks, Alex, for helping solve this puzzle.